Hey guys, how you doing? And hope you're having an amazing day. So this is my second video talking about Expertnaire, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down the different traffic sources that you can use to promote products on Expertnaire. Now, full disclosure, the way I currently make money on Expertnaire is by helping people to create funnels. So people that want to create funnels to promote on Expertnaire, I help them create their funnels. That's exactly how I'm making money right now on Expertnaire. But if you watch my last video, which I'm also going to link up where somewhere on the screen, you can see I broke down the different ways that you can make money using Expertnaire. So I told you how I'm actually making money on Expertnaire. But if you want to use any of the other means or sources of making money on Expertnaire, and you'd like to know the biggest traffic sources and some other details that you can use that will help your campaigns if you're promoting products on Expertnaire, this video is for you. So don't go anywhere, sit back, relax. I'm going to jump into my computer now and I'm going to show you the top traffic sources and some other things that you would like to know if you're looking to promote any product on Expertnaire. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into my computer screen right now. But before I do that, I'm going to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do make sure to subscribe below. It's only going to take less than a second. Make sure to like the video and share it with anybody that's into online business, online marketing, or into affiliate marketing. And this video is really going to help them. All right, let's jump into the video. All right, guys, let's get into the video. So the sites we're going to be using today to review the different traffic sources for Expertnaire is SimilarWeb.com. SimilarWeb.com is a website that you can use to analyze different websites and apps and see their traffic, what they're doing, how they're getting searches, social, all that kind of stuff. So SimilarWeb is a very good resource that you can use to check different websites, and that's what we're going to be using to check up where the best traffic sources for Expertnaire.com is. So right now, as you can see up here, I've put in Expertnaire.com and we're going to look at, this is very current, it's May 2020, and then you're going to look, you can see over here the global rank of Expertnaire.com is 309,673, and in Nigeria is ranked 1,277. For the category of finance under investing is 2,554. All right, so that's the category rank for Expertnaire.com. Now let's look at some other things. Traffic currently, these are the total visits on Expertnaire as at May 2020, 109,000 on Expertnaire, and the average visit duration on Expertnaire is about 4 minutes and 24 seconds. And the average number of pages that people visit anytime they visit Expertnaire is an average of 2 pages, right? And the bounce rate is 56%. So here you can see a graph of different the traffic overviews, like the visits on Expertnaire for this period of time. You can see there was a peak here in January, then it dropped slightly in February, in March started going up, April, May, and then now it's steadily just going up. All right, so when it comes to traffic sources by country, you can see the breakdown right here. Nigeria is number one. Nigeria gets the bulk of the traffic, but we can also notice that Expertnaire is getting traffic from a bunch of other countries like United States, South Africa, United Kingdom, and Switzerland. So these are the top countries where Expertnaire.com is getting their traffic from. Now we're getting more into detail with the traffic, and you can see over here direct traffic makes up for a large percentage of the traffic that Expertnaire.com receives. You can see right here there's 81.46% direct traffic coming to Expertnaire. Referrals make about 3.38%. For search is 4.11%. For social, 4.33%. For mail is 6.72%, and for display is 0.00%. Now let's take a look at the referral side of things, and you can see over here 3.38% of traffic coming to Expertnaire is from referrals. And right here you can see the top referring sites to Expertnaire. So this site called TonyCosmas.com is sending a lot of traffic to Expertnaire. Then this is probably someone's webinar page. So there's a webinar page right here that is sending traffic also to Expertnaire. Then there's IdrisAdeleye.com is also sending traffic to Expertnaire. Then Jonathan Melody is sending traffic to Expertnaire, and Jade Suleiman, I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but that's what I'm seeing here. So these are the top sites that are currently sending traffic, direct traffic to Expertnaire, and from there you can see there's a bunch of places where they're going to 7starcourses.com and also Google Docs. So these are the two destinations that people visit. after coming to expertnaire.com. But this just gives you an idea of who the top people are right now that are pushing on Expertnaire. So this is just a brief breakdown. If you want more details, this is SimilarWeb.com. You can always come in here, you can sign up for an account and go over it, but I'm not signing up. I'm just wanting to show you guys what the traffic is and how you can get on it. Okay, so for search makes up about 4.11% of traffic coming to Expertnaire, and right now traffic on Expertnaire, according to them, is 100% organic, but I guess they mean like for Expertnaire directly and not for the affiliate sending traffic to Expertnaire. So that's what this means right here, and you can see that the top organic keywords that people are using to find Expertnaire is expertnaire.com and Expertnaire Canada, which instantly gives you an idea of one of the top performing products on Expertnaire, but we'll get to that in another video. But right now you can see we're coming to the main point of this video, which is the social traffic. And even though social traffic makes up about 4.33% of traffic coming to Expertnaire, you can see something right here which is very interesting. So the first platform that we have is Facebook, then we have YouTube, and then we have WhatsApp. So this gives you a very clear idea of where people are driving traffic from to Expertnaire, and that is through Facebook ads. After that is through YouTube, and then after that is WhatsApp. So if you're looking to promote products on Expertnaire, you really need to take this into consideration. A large percentage of your traffic, if you want to be successful, is going to come through running Facebook ads, and Facebook ads is really going to help you, speed up your success with Expertnaire. So it's very, very important that you take this into consideration. Facebook ads is number one social media traffic that is coming to Expertnaire, and even less than half of that is coming from YouTube right now. So the thing with YouTube is that because a lot of people are not doing YouTube, right? A lot of people are not doing YouTube, so you have a lot of advantage. You have a lot of leverage on that platform if you decide to do YouTube, because a lot of people are not doing it, and you're not going to be facing saturation from a bunch of other people. You can simply just start running your ads and begin to make money, because you don't have that much competition. Whereas if you're advertising on Facebook, you're going to face a lot of competition, not just from other people that are trying to promote products from Expertnaire, but also other people just trying to sell digital products in general. You're going to face a lot of competition. But if you stick to YouTube, or if you use YouTube as well as Facebook, you're going to get a lot better results. And then the third option here, the elephant in the room, which is WhatsApp. Nigeria is a country that many people are actually using WhatsApp on a daily basis, and whether you like it or not, WhatsApp is a very huge traffic source. I know people that just use WhatsApp traffic to promote their offers, and they make a lot of sales. That's to tell you one thing, that there's a lot of eyeballs in Nigeria that are from WhatsApp. And so if you decide to use WhatsApp to market products from Expertnaire, or even any other products in general, but specifically for Expertnaire, you are going to get a lot of results. So right here, this is the main crux of the video, which is the social media traffic, which I wanted to show you. There's a bunch of other things right here, like the audience interest, which you can use to have an idea when it comes to running your ads either on Google or on Facebook. But other than that, there's not really much left to see. This is the main thing that you need to take into consideration when setting up your campaigns for products on Expertnaire. So just like I've showed you in the other video, in order to get started with this, you have to go through the first step, which is signing up for an account. I'm also going to leave links to this page and also links to sign up on Expertnaire in the description, so you can check it out. Make sure you sign up and make sure you get started, because just like I've shown you, there's a lot of opportunity to be taken from this. And the person who is the fastest, the person who moves quick, the person who takes advantage is the person who is going to see a lot more results. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure as always to like it, do make sure to share it, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make a new video like this on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.